Today we talk about how can you invite and on your follow your friends on your Threads app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, so you just go down here. You click on this sign down here. When you just click on it, so then it's going to take you to your profile here. Then all you have to do now, just go here above this sign, click on it. When you just click on it here, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then all you have to do now, you just click here on follow and invite friends here. Just click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list, and here can you follow and invite Instagram friends, or here can you invite them from messenger or WhatsApp or SMS or email, or share your profile here. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.